No answer choices in this one. You got to actually know something. All right. Well, maybe you don't. Because you know what? On the new SAT, you are allowed to use Desmos. So, if you want to be one of those kids, you can easily do so. All you got to do is type in the equation. Now, is the final version of the SAT going to allow it to be this easy to the point where it just puts a line through what the answer is? I don't know. But let's say you want to actually figure out how to do this by hand. If they get rid of the fact that you can just type in the equation and it just shows the answer, then you might at least need to know a little bit better how to use Desmos. And one way to do that would be by typing in the left side, and then by going to the next line, typing in the other side, zooming out a little bit until you see an answer. And getting the X would be your answer in this case. Even though I know the Y happens to be the same in this case. Okay, that will not get taken out. So therefore, if you want to do it by graphing, go for it. Now, if you are still curious as to how you would do this without graphing, you could put this 1 over 1 and then you could cross multiply. So that means you get 55 equals x times x plus 6. That's the same thing as saying x squared plus 6x. If I now subtract the 55 from both sides, this side would turn into a 0. I then would have to factor this, and this is going to factor into x plus 11, x minus 5, and that means x will equal negative 11 or 5, but they were only looking for the positive solution. So it turns out the answer is 5. Now, by the way, I didn't mention that when you're looking at the graph, there also should be another solution. And indeed, if I zoom out, there's another one at negative 11. But remember, they asked for the positive solution. So no matter what way you do it, you got to only use the positive answer. And once again, that positive answer was 5. All right. Take care.